This is Talia. So guys, we are on fall break and my friend suggested we make sushi. I don't know how to make sushi, so I'm just gonna video them, whatever they do, whatever I lay my camera on. We are on our way to the store, Walmart to be precise, and we are almost there. Stay tuned. So we are in Walmart now. This is gonna be a very quick video because my hands will be full of stuff. They bought chicken, but I love gizzards, so yeah, these are the things. We went there to buy sushi stuff, but we eventually ended up buying a whole lot of things.
Do we have rice?
Goodness, Chick-fil-A likes money. First time seeing this in Walmart, and it's very common in Ghana. Should I say Africa? We are back home now, and these are a few of the ingredients they're gonna use. Again, guys, I have no idea about sushi, so I'm just gonna video anything I see. They are starting with the rice, so I'm checking the rice, and it's looking okay. It's not yet cooked, but yeah. So this girl made this, and she's forcing all of us to eat it. So this is the cucumber. This is the sugar for the sauce, and they're gonna put in rice vinegar. Yes, they said rice vinegar. They're gonna add 6 spoons, just the size of this spoon, to it. Yep. After, you need to mix it very well for a few minutes. Yes. So actually they finished cooking the rice, so they're gonna put it in the fridge for it to cool down. Yes, and now it's done cooling down, so they're trying to make sure there's no heat in it. They are adding the rice vinegar and the sugar mixture to it. Yes, instead of me to learn, I'm here. I'm just waiting to eat this.
And now the wife is just. Oh, I don't know if she retired.
Okay, enough. You guys love gossips a lot. We're gonna put the rice back into the fridge until we're done with the other stuff. Okay, now we are about to start. Just, keep watching and enjoy our drama and our little chit chats and all everything, The way you guys are looking at me. Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
We don't use all of them. Oh, okay. Oh. Be sure to write your name and the date.
Okay. Which side should we shade, ma'am?
After you. Oh, we need something flat, eh? I was thinking I don't know. I'm so bad. Oh, can we borrow some paper towel and we'll just put it on top? Oh, yeah, that's true. Yeah. No, bigger one. Let me tell draw. Let me tell draw. Thank you. Yes. Oh, it's still hot now. Yeah. Oops. Thank you.
Talia. Now, this is Mulan. She is the pro right here. She has an Asian background, so she's the pro right here. We are all waiting for her, watching her.
is honey or sesame oil?
Sesame.
Sesame.
Purr. Purr for it, purr.
Alright.
Okay. Once.
Easy. The largest sushi in the world.
The knife, we need a sharper knife.
Wow.
There's a
Hang
long.
on, the presentation is not
Complete.
there.
Okay.
It's optional, or is mandatory?
Optional.
Optional.
Cucumber. I love me avocado. Mine is gonna break for sure. I'm putting so much in here.
Nuts.
Done.
Is that sesame seed?
Yeah. Probably expired.
The real chef right here. Yes.
Hospitality food service. Yes, baby.
Go, continue. There you go.
But it's going to be on
And then
top of
take
it.
out the
And then
towel.
take the
Roll it and then. Yeah, good job, good job. I don't even know. She does it very good. Towel. Good job. Where's the knife?
Am I supposed to end on top? I'm wrong.
No. You're right.
See, this one is. Yeah.
Sini, look at the way Nara next level knowledge is coming out. How are you guys cutting it?
Yeah, it's probably too thin. Yeah, well.
Huh? What are this?
I didn't put some at the end. Like this?
Yeah, and then face it down.
I didn't cut the seaweed.
Like this?
Yeah.
She said it's weed. Why is it not cutting?
Oops, sorry. I'll just use this for
Right, professional knife.
Yeah, that's why we need a sharp knife.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh wow, Lala, that looks nice.
It's okay.
Keep going, Franny.
Thanks for the nice thoughts over here.
Yeah.
But yours looks nice inside, like.
Why is it not cutting well? Sushi.
It's only with the tuna it does like that. I'm just kidding.
The struggle of sushi, making sushi. How did you cut yours so accurate like that?
You have to be like fast or like
Maybe
like
sideways.
Hey, madam.
Like this.
It's okay. Don't read it. The voice cutting.
The highlight of the day is forward. Having sushi.
I'm going far away.
oh no.
You should have did it in slow-mo and go
One
like
decided to
closer.
make a different one with the rice on the outside.
Waltz, hold up. I want to take the last cut. phone is even clearer.
Oh my, your business partner.
Business partner.
Oh my gosh, this guy is unbelievable. And there we go with sesame seed on another one. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my friends making sushi. Trust me, I really learned a lot of things and I hope you guys did too. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment please. Thank you. See you next time.